Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be seeing how to make a poliam pitto or poliam puddi, which is very similar to idli podi or gunpowder. So this can be had as side dish with idli or dosa, and it is a very easy Konkani dish which can be made at home. If you haven't subscribed to us yet, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest updates from us. To make the pitto, we need 1 cup of urdi dal. I have used split urdi dal here. Half a cup of chana dal. 6 to 7 dry red chili. If you require it to be more spicier, you can add more of red chili. 2 tablespoons sesame seed. 1 tablespoon salt and half a tablespoon hing powder. We are going to add ingredient by ingredient and cook it in slow flame as we don't want it to get burnt. So firstly we have added 1 cup of urdi dal in a thick bottom vessel and we have kept the flame slow. Keep mixing it for it to cook evenly. We are going to dry roast all the ingredients except for the hing powder and salt. So once the urdi dal is half done, we are going to add the sesame seed, dry red chili and mix it with the urdi dal. And cook them till it turns aromatic. So now our mixture is done. We are going to immediately shift it to a plate so that it cools down and to avoid further cooking. Now we are adding the half a cup chana dal and dry roast them as well. So our chana dal will be done in few minutes. Once this is done, we will let the mixture to cool down and then blend it in the blender. While blending it, we can add hing and salt with the other mixture. So now our poliam pitto is ready. It can be mixed with little bit of coconut oil and can be had along with idli or dosa. So since this is a dry powder, it has a great shelf life and it can be stored for months. So do try this recipe and do let me know in the comment section how it was. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.